Hello everyone, and I'm Sachin Agarwal. I'm an entrepreneur by profession. I joined GDC because of certain reasons. The very first reason is they taught us practical. They give us live projects on which we have to work upon. Secondly, before GDC, I thought digital marketing means social media marketing. Now I come to know digital marketing is actually a lot more than that. Thirdly, faculty was too good. They give you lifetime support throughout your life. Whenever you have query, they will help you throughout your life. GDC add value to my life and it's really helpful. Thank you.